for stay where the crofts there.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Oh my God, I'm feeling so much better. Thank you, Jesus. I want to cry.
Let me be your lover. Maybe if you tried, then I would not bother.
And I love this song, and it's making me feel so much good about life, you guys. In our real life, you understand? All the struggles, all of the
them try every little thing for certain success. Although the road rugged and rough, never give up.
Everything where you have to, you understand? You have to give thanks in real life. Like, I thank God I try to thank Him every single day for everything that I have. Because John knows what I wear. You understand? So.
Them said DJ Brian not rich nowhere, but him they are survive.
Eat mackerel, I die. Mars mom tried to give me sardines yesterday. I was like, I love you, but I don't like sardines or mackerel. I'm not sitting there. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do laundry at mom's. Bought us some breakfast. She'll love me today. In a real life. Yeah.
You're listening to another Island Music Spot mixtape CD.
Now.
Island Music
I'm
Spot
her now.
inside the
I hope I have
747
enough
Food
money
Market,
because
Terminal
I
2.
only have debit on me.
Yeah, DJ right. Them fi know you are action man. You are
Back to my earth, me still in no books. You know, coming like the other day, and you coming like something go did. You understand? I'm only doing 2 loads today. I'm only doing colors and whites.
Hey, what you wire, hey.
Alright guys, when I get upstairs, holla bang. It's Sunday. High voltage. Let me put up the sunroof, you know, because we in the hood and stuff, you know. They can do anything. They can climb in. Actually, I'll leave the back. Yes. Out the door. Hot, your fault, you know? It's hot. Bonbons. Alright, I'm soon come. Hey, people. So, I'm going out. Not really out, but I'm going for my food. I'm going to Mars' mom's house. I'm gonna get dinner. Why do you have your backpack? You're so stupid today, Babe, say hi.
I miss those days.
So rude. Alright, say hi. Or you're not in the mood? Maybe he has to eat first. He hasn't eaten today, I guess. Anyways, how are you guys doing? Hi to my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Yo, I'm talking. Since he wants to be so rude, we won't have no music, period. Anyway. Yo, don't make me clap this down, eh? Like I was saying, so yeah, we're gonna go eat dinner. You understand? I'm hungry, so. And I'm not cooking. I'm on sick leave. You know, it would be cute if you like just fixed up yourself a little bit. All this damn gray hair in his head, like. wanna see the boy.
Move forward now. See ya. Hey, put it back. Who are you? I'm here on the face. Say them a look for red day and down with Bobby Rays. 3 and gun, 2 rifle, and a bucket full of lead. Bad man.
Hey guys. Well, I mean, hey people, how are you? I don't even know what to say. I am, but okay, so yesterday I went to work and whatever, after being off from my kidney infection, which wasn't a kidney infection, it was actually a cyst that ruptured. Amen, I'm still alive. But yeah, after my week off, I went back to work yesterday to only find out that I was losing my job or whatever. I can't say I'm sad, because I'm not. I'm really not. I hated that place, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to get your money. I have rent and other bills that I need to take care of. So that was my source of income at that point in time. So I had to do what I had to do. Not saying that I liked it or anything, because it was far from that, but it was paying the bills. But anyways, they let me go. Whatever. And yeah, so I woke up today, had all the energy in the world. I was so happy because I'm like, yes, I don't gotta go there, and I can actually enjoy my summer now, you know, because I'm not broke. I'm just out of a job right now, right? And it's just right now. So I get to enjoy the rest of the little summer that we have left. I'm excited about that. And you guys don't feel sorry for me, because honestly, again, like I said, I'm not sad. Plus, I live in Canada. So there's so many different opportunities that I can definitely take advantage of that could assist me in this time. I give myself about a month, hopefully, before I find something new. And yeah, so as of right now, I'm gonna go check one of my best friends. Go best friend, that's my best friend, you finna, you, eh. You understand? So yeah, I'm gonna go check her. And hopefully she goes into labor today. Like, I want this baby to come, and I'm so excited about that too. Like, it's her first girl, hopefully last child, that she cares for herself, because you know she's gonna be surrogate for me. Hi, Jordan. What's your name? Jaziah, come here. Let me see your tongue. Come, man. Let me see it. They're gonna look at it right now. Does it hurt now? Huh? Jaziah, does it hurt? It's hurting now?
I guess we are, I don't know. The doctor can't see it.
What do you mean it can't see kids?
I said this doctor can't see kids. Remember you have the light.
Okay.
Go to the food court and come back. The food court where the washroom is. Just wait, we're going on that way. Just hold it.
Jordan, what's your name? He's so hungry.
What you say, I'm okay. What you I'm okay.